Hi everyone, thanks for coming to this talk, in which I am going to present the BotMaker R package. This package will help you on creating your next R-based bot. The BotMaker takes care of building the configuration files to get your script periodically running on GitHub Actions at no cost. But first, I will introduce the Twitter RStats Jobs bot, the bot I created that led me to the development of the BotMaker. Well, a few years ago, I was looking for R-related jobs, and I noticed that Twitter was a great source for this. As I am a nerd, I needed a script that once run would show me the new daily job posts that it may find. During this job-seeking time, I found the RStats Jobs Twitter account, which retweeted job opportunities. Unfortunately, it was no longer being active. So I thought it would be a great resource to have such a tool as the RStats Jobs bot. So I had my script that I was running every day to get daily new job posts, and by adding a few more lines, it would get those posts retweeted. By scheduling this script with such a tool as cron, it would daily find the job posts and retweet them. Okay, so we are set. We have our bot script done. So let's find our server. Well, as a Latino developer, I found out that the only choice was to schedule it on my personal computer. So my computer had to be running during these scheduling times. So what about my Raspberry Pi? Well, this was much better, but I really wanted to make bots development accessible to everyone. And I found out that the optimal solution would be to run it on GitHub Actions, and it would run at no cost. So let's talk about the BotMaker. Well, this package prepares the configuration settings to run in GitHub Actions. It runs for free if the repository is public. So what do you need to make it run? You need an R package, even if it does not have functions in it, and it needs to be hosted in a GitHub repository. And that's it. You are all set to develop your own bot, a Twitter bot, a Slack bot, or any other scheduled bot you might need. So let's use the BotMaker to create the RStats Jobs bot. We have the script that daily retweets job posts. As this script should run on an isolated environment as GitHub Action is, we have to add some credentials information. In this case, these are Twitter credentials that we might need. Next, we need to turn all this script into a string, as it is how BotMaker needs it as input. So next we have to load our credentials into our R execution environment. And finally, we need to run the BotMaker's makeBot function. We give as input the bot code, the environment variables, and the period of time we want the script to run. We will make this last step with the cron run every functions as a helper. And that's it. We get the YAML file, which will hold all the needed configuration. The scheduling section code, the configuration section, and the bot code section. For additional reading or regard to this configuration, I would recommend GitHub Actions documentation and the cron tab Guru website, which will turn you into a cron master. I hope you have enjoyed this talk, and hoping to see you in the questions section. Thanks for coming.